Okay, good morning. I have some apologies to do and some explanations. First of all, I intended for the homework to be due today, but clearly I did not show that. Um, so, Fortunately, I had already made some plans. One student was not going to be able to do it in time for an excused reason, so I was going to delay um, and essentially record this, not live stream this. So right now I'm live for anybody that, in case anybody was not going to be here. But I'm going to stop this and then record the homework solutions. So I was already planning to share the link specifically. So what I can do, and again, I apologize, the exam's Thursday, so normally I would like to have you see the homework and have the time to do it, and then get feedback on it from the solutions before you take your exam. That was my plan. I messed up the scheduling. So how many of you have already completed the homework and submitted it? So 2.5? Okay. So would you like more time to complete it? Okay. So this is going to seem pretty funny, but I don't have a lecture prepared outside of going over the homework solutions. So I can't really give you much content right now. So, but what I could do is tell most of you to go home and go work on your homework, and I'll share this link. So, okay. So what I will do is, if you're in agreement with this, I will send you the link for this at noon tomorrow, approximately. So if I go in and revise this due date to be due at noon tomorrow, for anyone that has not done so yet, that'll give you time to do it, and you'll then also have some time to study with the solutions. Does that kind of sound good for everybody? And for two of you lucky ones, you get the live version of the homework solutions. And Heirloom, if you have completed like half of it and you want to stay for half and then leave when you want to complete the rest of it, that would be fine. Just let me know what the deal is. Yeah, so clearly this is all wrong. So I'm very sorry about that. I did say Tuesday, but that's today is not. Okay. Okay, and I think part of my confusion was I moved the exam date, forgot to move this. Okay. Okay, so that'll be hopefully current in Moodle. And I think that kind of takes care of it. So we'll have the exam Thursday. Any questions? You're also welcome to email me questions. I will try to get back to you. It will be a busy day for me tomorrow, but any questions about it? I haven't designed it yet, so I can't tell you what's on it. But any concerns? Anything you'd like to review before we launch into the homework solutions? Yeah. If you need anything, I certainly will. Anything that's like more elaborate. I would expect that like some of the stuff that we kind of did last time, or something like, okay, how do you put together a proton balance equation if you need it? I think you probably know, right? So you should know that kind of thing. Yeah.
Could you give us the formula sheet like tomorrow? Because the last exam I thought more things were going to be on it, so I didn't memorize them.
Okay. Yeah, I will hopefully be able to. Yeah. And so I will post that, assuming I can get the exam ready tonight. I will post that to Moodle. I'll put it under here to say kind of formulas and tables or something. Will be my target. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, I'll give you K values. or a lookup table or something. Probably K for water, you should know. KW.
Is there a cutoff on where like the lectures that the exam would be pulled from?
Basically everything after the exam one, up till last lecture. So
Like after the titrations?
I think so. It's just yeah, everything after a fall break. So kind of everything after titrations. What you'll notice as I go through the homework is that some of those concepts are coming back, and I'm going to try not to overly emphasize those, but we might have to deal with a little bit of them in order to solve the problems. Yeah. And generally, keep in mind, I'm new to teaching this class, so I'm figuring out kind of what it is that I need to say to teach, and learning along the way that maybe I should have done that and spent too much time on this. So hopefully I was at least reasonably gracious on exam one in grading. It's kind of my aim is to try to promote learning and test learning, recognizing that we're just not set up to be the ideal that way, right? So this exam you can expect some stuff that's a bit qualitative or topical in terms of, let's say, the Flint water crisis kind of stuff. How are these things relevant? In what conditions are they relevant? The homework deals with some stuff about like oceans or other natural systems. So hopefully that gave you a chance, or will give you a chance, to look into them and think about, okay, what would make something redox relevant under a particular condition, and what do I know about lakes versus rivers versus oceans? Like, what might be at play, right? What's the deal with open to the atmosphere, not open to the atmosphere? Some topics like that will probably be some non-quantitative questions, right? Kind of like we did on the first exam. So a bit of a mix. We didn't really get to, this is a little outdated and I apologize. We did get to some redox here, I guess for a lecture and a half. We didn't get to the PE PC diagrams or PE-PH, so those will not be on here, but you should at least have a basic understanding of redox and the ability to balance redox equations. Any other questions, concerns? Okay. This is funny. I made a big deal about class attendance last time, and now I'm telling you to go away. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for your patience with my mistake here. And let me know if there's any other concerns about like the timeline of the homework or the links and stuff. And I will make sure to email everybody specifically with the link needed. So just take that for yourself. Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. So if you're planning to submit the homework tomorrow, you're dismissed.